Hello guys, here in this video I'm going to show you how to install app on your Samsung Smart TV. If you have the new Samsung Smart TV powered by Tizen, then you probably need this video to install your favorite app on your Smart TV. The Smart TV powered by Tizen comes with built-in App Store. So with this App Store, you can download and install any app on your Smart TV. But if you are using this Smart TV for the purpose of downloading and installing app from Google Play Store, you probably need an external media player or an external device such as your Roku or Chromecast. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to download and install app on Samsung Smart TV. The first thing you need to do before you can download and install app on your Samsung Smart TV is to make sure you have created your Samsung account and sign into your Samsung Smart TV account on your Smart TV. So if you have not done that, you need to do that before you proceed so that you'll be able to sign in and download your favorite app on your Samsung Smart TV. So the first thing you need to do, once you launch your Samsung Smart TV, navigate to app to the bottom left and click on it. Now you'll be taken to Samsung Smart TV app installer pack software. So this software is a built-in. There's no need to re-download it again. Here you have access to different apps on Samsung Smart TV. So the first thing you're going to see is the editor's choice panel. Under this editor's choice panel, you have different apps that Samsung Smart TV editors really like, and it is pinned as the first set of apps you have access to on your Samsung Smart TV. And the second one is most popular apps. So these are the most popular apps that people use, and so you can have access to them on Samsung Smart TV. Funny enough, you cannot download or install apps like what's it called, SportV on your Samsung Smart TV. So you will have access to apps like your YouTube Kids, YouTube, DXTV, Facebook Watch. Those are the most popular apps that you can have access to on your Samsung Smart TV. Other groups of apps include music and radio apps, app to kill time, Smart View enabled, weather, Smart Life, content preview, games, sport, video, and the rest of them, and education. So here you find all apps in this category on your Samsung Smart TV. Now to download and install app on your Samsung Smart TV, you need to make sure you sign into your Samsung Smart TV account. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sign out on my Samsung Smart TV so that we can be on the same page when you want to sign in, when you want to sign in and download your Samsung TV app. So now open the Samsung TV app, go to sign in. Now sign into your Samsung account. So in this case, I've already added my Samsung account into my Samsung Smart TV. So I just need to click on the Samsung username, or you click on sign in to sign into your Samsung account, or create a new account if you have not added or you've not created your Samsung account. So select. So once I am signed in, then I will over to the search box so I can search for the app I want to download. Let's say I want to download Netflix. Let's say I want to download Netflix app. So you can see Netflix is up there. So I just need to select the Netflix app from about. Before then, let's check all apps on your Samsung TV. Click on. So the moment you select the app section you want to access or you want to find your app from, then you'll be taken to the list of apps that are available for you to download. Now to download your favorite app on Smart TV, your Samsung Smart TV, navigate to the app section, click on it, then find the app from the list. Find the app from the list and select it. Once you have selected it, then an option to install the app will come up. So if you want to read more about the option about the app, just go to the more and select install and click on it. Then instantly the app will start installing on your Samsung Smart TV. Once the app has installed successfully, you will see installed to the top right of the screen. Then you can open the app to start using it. Let's see. Here we go. So this is the app recently installed, and this is how to install app on your Samsung Smart TV. Go to apps, and go to settings. Now you will see the list of apps that you have downloaded and installed on your Samsung Smart TV. Now to uninstall the app or to install a particular app, over to the app and navigate to delete using your remote control button. Tap on delete. Now you see, do you want to delete this particular app? Then click on delete. And instantly the app will be uninstalled from your Samsung Smart TV. So this is the step-by-step procedure on how to download and install app on a Samsung Smart TV. Please, if you enjoyed this tutorial, hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.